Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Today's video is about antidepressants or SSRIs and how they just pretty much kill your sex drive, your libido, your ability to achieve an orgasm, to perform in the bedroom. And this affects both men and women. And with that said, let's get started with today's video.
Now, did you know that clinical depression affects 1 in 5 adults in the United States? That's 20% of the population. Personally, I didn't think it was so high. But after giving it some thought, I recall how many of my friends, male and female, are actually on some kind of antidepressant and also even an anti-anxiety drug as well. Unfortunately, sexual side effects are among the most common complaints about antidepressants, again, for both men and women. Basically, men lose their desire and, worst of all, their ability to perform, which can cause psychological problems of depression and anxiety in and of itself. Listen, to guys, it's a big deal when things don't work well down there. You just don't feel like a man anymore. Women also lose their desire. They're also less lubricated, and they have to work much harder at achieving an orgasm, and when they do, it's not as satisfying. So one question is, which medications cause the most sexual side effects? Now, sexual side effects are actually linked to all antidepressants, but some types of medications cause greater sexual problems than others. Now, the following antidepressants are reported the most problematic, and that's Celexa, Cymbalta, Lexapro, Paxil, Prozac, and Zoloft. As you can see, these are also the most popular antidepressants and the most commonly prescribed. Now, there's one drug called Wellbutrin that tends to have lower sexual side effects than these other ones. So the next question is, how do antidepressant drugs cause sexual side effects? Well, there are many reasons. I'll keep it simple today. Most prescription antidepressants are part of drug family called SSRIs, which stands for selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Basically, by raising levels of serotonin in the body, you tend to feel more calm and less anxious. However, serotonin also decreases your drive, emotional drive, as well as that sexual drive. In many ways, serotonin is the opposite of another neurotransmitter called dopamine, which incidentally, antidepressant drugs decrease dopamine levels. Yes, you probably heard that dopamine is called a feel-good hormone or neurotransmitter, but in reality, it's more about rewarding you and increasing your drive and desire for the next reward, and that includes sexual desire. Most importantly, SSRIs actually decrease testosterone while increasing estrogen. Remember, men and women have both of these hormones, but in different amounts and ratios. Testosterone controls sexual desire in all animals. On a side note, this is also another reason why SSRIs and antidepressants cause weight gain, but that's a topic for another day. Okay, so with that said, what's the solution? Well, legally, I can't give you medical advice here, so you need to please speak to your doctor. However, I can report to you as to what's worked for many other people. One thing you want to do is lower the dose, okay? Because lowering the dose of the drug can help. Many times doctors prescribe a higher dose of a drug that's needed. They just give a generic dose. Remember, drugs are super powerful and a little goes a long way. The next thing you can do is change the timing. Remember, even though many of these drugs have a very long half-life, that means they're in your system for many hours, you might consider taking the drug after you have sex. Then it won't hit you so hard, right before having sex. Or you might want to take it before bed. Again, this is something you'll need to test out. And finally, you can take natural solutions. There are natural herbs and vitamins and minerals that also help improve serotonin levels and other proven neurotransmitters that'll create a calming effect, happier feelings, more confidence and control. However, they won't typically cause sexual side effects because they work naturally with your body, unlike drugs that artificially work against your body, and hence all the negative side effects. Now, one of the most popular mood-enhancing solutions is called ProVanax. And this basically works by helping balance important neurotransmitters, again, without the negative sexual side effects or a decrease in drive or negative changes in testosterone and estrogen. Now, I put a link below in the description area for more details about ProVanax, how it works, the research, reviews, and so forth. Also, if you're a guy, you for sure want to improve your testosterone levels and balance your hormones. This will really make a huge difference in improvement in performance, sexual desire, and erections. Again, you've heard me in the past say one of my favorite and most popular solutions is called AlphaViril. It's basically an all-in-one solution that I've personally been using for over 20 years. Again, more details about AlphaViril below in the description area. Now, the good news is that both of these natural supplements, ProVanax and AlphaViril, are safe to take with your antidepressants and SSRIs. People have not reported any negative side effects. Many people actually end up eventually using a lower dose of their medications and after a while, so that's another benefit. Of course, you should always speak to your doctor first. So make sure you educate yourself about this topic, about this situation, because it's not going to magically all of a sudden fix itself. It will for sure negatively affect your relationships, and that's not good for your mental, emotional, or physical health. Now, please do me a favor and in the comments section, let me know if you've taken, antidepressants and SSRIs and how they have affected you negatively. Have you had negative side effects with sexual stuff? What effects? How long? Maybe what dose? What drug? Just so other people can learn, as well as even myself, to get some feedback. As well, if you're not subscribed already, please do so and click the bell icon to be notified when similar videos are available. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and wishing you a very happy and healthy day.